Amkatatan bash, bakher ben bo channeli, learn and explore. Lem video da basi bashi semi chapteri shashami ktebi Treasure Island again. Bada spipkin. I joined the others. Paywandi akam baawani tro. Jim Hawkins continues the story. Jim Hawkins bardawami bachino ka kaadat. As soon as Ben Gunn saw the flag on the stockade, he stopped walking. As soon as Ben Gunn saw the flag on the stockade, Harka Ben Gunn alake bini lasar sangeri bergiriaka, he stopped walking. La roshtin wasta. Flag wata Allah. Now, he said, when you see your friends, tell the squire or the doctor to come and see me. You know where to find me? Up in the woods where you saw me today. Tell them there is a good reason why I'm hiding. Now, he said, Wuti esta, when you see your friends, kateka haurakanat bini, tell the squire, basquire bule, or the doctor, yan doktoraka, to come and see me. Bo'oi betu bimbinet. You know where to find me. Azani lekubum dozito. Up in the woods where you saw me today. Labashi saroi darastanaka, where you saw me today. Oshani ka amro minit lebini. Tell them there is a good reason why I am hiding. Pean bele, tell them what a pean bele, there is a good reason, hokareki bashhe, I am hiding. Kamun khom hashardao. Good, I said. Can I go now? Minwitam basha. Good, what a basha. Can I go now? Atwana mestabrom. The cannon suddenly started firing again, and we ran in different directions into the trees. The cannon suddenly started firing again. Topaka lanakaw disano dastikirdawa batakandin. We ran in different directions. Ema ramankit baaraste jawazda into the trees. Barawnaw draktakan. Different wata jawaz, direction wata arasta. Slowly, I went down the hill closer to the sea, and soon I could see the Hispaniola and I could see the Jolly Roger, the black flag of piracy, flying from her mast. Slowly, bahewashi, I went down the hill, bagirdakada rosh makhwaro, closer to the sea, la daryaka nazik bumo, yan naziktir la daryaka, and soon, wabazui, I could see the Hispaniola. Amtuani Hispaniola bibinum. And I could see the Jolly Roger, wa amtuani Jolly Roger ka bibinum. Jolly Roger, au flage kalasa shashaka ibinum. The black flag of piracy. Alay Rashi Chatadariayakan. Flying from her mast. Basad dar alakawa dafret kamabasdo ashaketo. Mast wata dar ala. As I was going down towards the stockade, I saw a large white rock some distance further along the beach. As I was going down towards the stockade, kateka arosh makhwaro barurui sangeri bergiriaka, towards wata barurui, I saw a large white rock, bardeki spi gaurambini. White wata spi, rock wata bar. Some distance further along the beach. Kamek durtil la durgako. I thought that this might be the rock that Ben Gunn had spoken about, and that one day, if I needed a boat, I would know where to look. I thought, Birum Kirdoa, that this might be, Ka'ama Akret, the rock that Ben Gunn had spoken about. Bardakabit ka Ben Gunn basi Kirdoa, yang qsay darbara Kirdoa. And that one day, Warojek, if I needed a boat, agar balamekam pewist bed, I would know where to look. Azanam lekuboy bgarim. There was a warm welcome for me at the stockade, and I happily told them my story. There was a warm welcome. Bakher hatiniki garam habu for me, Bowman, at the stockade, la sangeri bergiriaka, and I happily told them my story. Waman badal khoshio chiroka ke khomam peutin. Later that evening, we buried old Tom Redruth in the sand and stood silently around him for a while. Later that evening, Duater au Eoarea, we buried old Tom Redruth. Tom Redruthi batamanman nasht, bury wata ainejet, in the sand la cholakada, and stood silently around him for a while. Wabumaweg babedangi ladori was time. Sand bamanay chol yan limdet. Then we ate some meat and drank some brandy. Then, Pashan, we ate some meat, handek gosht man khward, and drank some brandy. Wa handek sharab man khward. Brandy joreki sharaba. The squire, the doctor, and the captain discussed what to do. The squire, squireka, the doctor, doctoraka, and the captain, wa captainaka, discussed what to do. Basi awayankit ka chipkain. We had very little food, but it was decided that we would fight the pirates as best we could. We had very little food. Zor kam khwardan man habu, but balam, it was decided bryar dira that we would fight the pirates ka ema shar lagal piratakana akain as best we could. Babashtrin shewa ka bitwanin. There were 15 of them now, and 2 of those had been shot and hurt. There were 15 of them now, esta awan panza kesbun, and 2 of them were dudanean, had been shot, taqayan lekrabu, and hurt, wa azarian habu. To help us, on the other hand, there was also the rum the pirates were drinking. Though the pirates were half a mile away, we could hear them well, singing and shouting late into the night. To help us, bo'oi kayar muntimalbat, on the other hand, la'alayaki dikawa, there was also the rum, aw sharaba habu, the pirates were drinking, ka chatadariyayakan en khwardo. Though the pirates were half a mile away, lagal away ka chatadariyayakan niumi lemano durbun, we could hear them well, amantuani babashi göman lebed, singing and shouting late into the night. Ka goranian autu hawarianake taoku drangani show. I was very tired, and when at last I got to sleep, I slept like a log. I was very tired, min zor mandubum, and when at last, while katek lekotaida, I got to sleep, khawm lekot, I slept like a log. Sleep like a log, wata baquli bkhawid babewi hijule kwid waku takhte wabid. Later dale I slept like a log, wata boshewe khawtum. Bamshewesh ambasha kotaihat, taugu videda tu khatan lagal.